Mliswa to respond over explosive Mzembi allegations. The 3rd of September 2025. Spread the love. By a correspondent. Former Norton legislator Temba Mliswa is tonight expected to respond to allegations linking him to exiled former tourism minister Walter Mzembi, in a saga that has exposed bitter political rivalries and personal vendettas stretching back to the 2017 coup. According to a series of tweets and podcasts by Mliswa's former girlfriend, Susan Mutami, Mzembi allegedly tried to have Emerson Mnangagwa arrested before Mugabe's downfall. Mutami, who has long accused Mliswa of abuse and other crimes, has positioned herself as a key witness in the factional battles of ZANU-PF. Mzembi has publicly admitted to mentoring Mutami, but has not fully addressed why. As alleged, he would turn to Mliswa, a known adversary of Mutami, for guidance on returning to Zimbabwe. Critics say the apparent contradictions point to deeper undercurrents of mistrust and hidden alliances among Zimbabwe's fractured political class. The same Mzembi relying on Mutami's sworn enemy for counsel doesn't add up. A Harare-based analyst observed, it suggests either desperation or undisclosed deals that must be scrutinized. Mliswa, who has remained combative on political and personal scandals, is set to speak on ZVAITWA at 7 p.m. Zimbabwe time tonight. His response is expected to shed light not only on his strained relationship with Mutami, but also on the murky web of loyalties that defined Zimbabwe's transition from Mugabe to Mnangagwa, with Mzembi still incarcerated and Mutami continuing to fire salvos from abroad. Tonight's statement by Mliswa could either clarify or deepen one of the most controversial political dramas in recent years.